How's it going?
Good. 1200?
883.
883?
Yeah.
God damn, that's sharp with those bars.
Thank you. Yeah, I had my music on. I couldn't hear you or anything.
That's
yeah.
my deal.
Yeah.
You know what's rough about that?
What's that?
I got two bikes. I was on my Sport Glide.
Yeah.
And there was ambulances and fire trucks coming this way.
Oh yeah, I run into that too. Yeah.
What the deal was this guy pulled over and I looked and there wasn't nothing coming. I'm
right.
like, what the hell? I whipped it out. Here, a sheriff.
Yeah. The same thing happened to me one time.
That's a rush, ain't it?
Yeah, when you can't hear them because your music's playing, yeah, it's definitely a rush.
Yeah, I got a speeding ticket with a trooper that followed me like 3 miles before I finally pulled over for him.
Yeah.
It's really sharp. I love those handlebars.
Yeah, not a lot of people around here rock those. So I think I'm the only person that has those on their bike. So.
Well, I'm getting ready to start buying Harleys and flipping them.
Yeah.
And that's definitely a really cool look right there.
Yeah, I think it sharpens up the bike. I mean, it makes it look streamlined.
Oh, for sure.
So it's not you don't have the bars way up here, you know.
It's like it's weird for me to say this, but I love all motorcycles.
Sure.
I think that like the 1100 Honda Rebel's a really cool looking motorcycle.
Yeah.
And when people do that to those, it's really tough. That's why.
Yeah, it is.
Get a good look at the motor. That's a sharp motor.
Yeah, I get questions about it all the time. Those handlebars.
Yeah.
The drag bars. Yeah.
It's definitely sharp.
Yeah, I love it.
What's the ergonomics of it? I mean, can you ride all day on it?
Yeah, only because I've always ridden sport bikes.
There you go.
And this is my first Harley, so I'm used to being tucked in. So. Yeah,
I've got a Triumph Street Triple.
You're riding that motorcycle.
I am. How y'all doing today?
That's my family. That's
is it?
members
Okay,
of mine.
okay, all right.
Hey, be safe, man.
Hey, you too.
Be
Thank
safe.
you, thank you. Yeah.
I'm down. Let's Gabby's over there waiting to get the truck. Yeah, I just need to take it. Me and Gabby are going to stop flipping motorcycles. We're going to fix them up.